Let's look at some Bitcoin charts with a multi-time frame perspective. So Bitcoin 87,000. What can we see here? It looks like there was a pivot point here with a negative 2.3 z-score, and now we're at a negative 2.8 off of the 50. This is a version of the standard deviation, and we're at a halfway point between the high of the last 2 years and the low from 2024 January. So this is a bargain area. If we look at the 1 day, we can see that we are at a low for the last few months. On the 2 hour chart, we can see the volatility range bands of the Darry Watson channel. We are just below the lower. Often things will reverse from there, but not necessarily. You've got some nice bullish z-scores right here. A lot of bullish divergences. Of course, this bullish divergence didn't play out much, but it did some. And a lot of times after that happens, the next leg down will have one. Not always, though. Let's compare it to the PAX-G, which is gold, Bitcoin. As I noted in some other videos, there's this oscillation between gold and Bitcoin. This is a ratio. This is basically how much Bitcoin you can buy with gold. And so when it's high, last time it reversed quite a bit. Okay. And that's kind of where we're at now. Is this high point? Doesn't mean it can't keep going up, but we're there. And if we zoom in a little bit, get a little more resolution in the last few months on the daily chart, we can see that we're above that volatility range of the Darry Watson upper, starting to form a shark fin. If Bitcoin was to come down any lower, it seems like there's going to be a lot of interest to scoop it up from, the usual players, the whales, the countries, institutions. So you have to consider the lows. However, the best is to look at pivot points, which we don't have this confirmed yet, but it could be. And another fantastic choice is to go with the trend, which you can see when the momentum flips, which on smartmoneycharts.com, it'll show you when the close plot points start to flip green, you've got bullish momentum. Otherwise, you're gambling, you're trying to catch a falling knife. Maybe you're going to use the z-score, maybe in combination with the Fibonacci discount area, maybe off of a lower time frame scenario Watson band, and those can definitely improve your odds. So visit smartmoneycharts.com. It's free to use. It'll give you a multi-time frame perspective on things.